Exciting news this week as P&O Cruises finally released their much anticipated winter 2026-2027 cruise itineraries, giving passengers just 7 days to pre-book their cruise, their cabin and lock in their cruise cost. If you are wanting to pre-book your P&O cruise, then in this video I share with you some tips on how you can save hundreds and hundreds of pounds. Just like Mr. and Mrs. Jackson, who saved a whopping £932 on their 75-night voyage on Aurora in January 2027. I also saved Mr. and Mrs. Dobson £250 on their Iona 2026 Christmas cruise. So if you would like me to save you some money too, then just follow these few easy steps. Plus, watch until the end because I have a very special offer for you. How about a 7-night cruise out of Southampton for just £309? But for now, it's all about saving you some cash. As you know, I used to be a cruise travel agent for over 25 years, and in those years I gained a lot of experience about when is the best time to book. So if you are looking for a specific cabin, an accessible cabin, maybe a Christmas cruise, school holidays, or one of the longer stay durations, then booking early is essential. In November 2022, I set up Facebook cruise deals group Hollydealsatsea. And now with 4,000 members, I work tirelessly behind the scenes sourcing the best cruise deals and exclusives that sometimes you cannot find anywhere else. Every single day, Hollydealsatsea saves its members hundreds and hundreds of pounds. So if you would like to save some money on your next cruise, then why not join? It's completely free. All of my cruise deals are booked with either cruise.co.uk, over the phone with one of their cruise agents, or cscanner.co.uk, where you book your cruise yourself online. Now with cscanner.co.uk, I have an exclusive Holly discount code that nobody else in the country has access to. You use this code, put it in the coupon box, and you can save even more money off their already discounted cruise prices. With cruise.co.uk, you call my hotline number, speak to one of their cruise agents, and they will look after you from the moment you book till the day you come home. Now, as I mentioned at the start of the video, P&O Cruises have released their itineraries for 2026-2027. So if you are wanting to pre-book a cruise, you've seen your cruise, then please send me the details through Hollydealsatsea and then let me save you some money. I also mentioned I have a special offer for you as well. MSC Cruise 7 nights, £309 per person. It's absolutely a fantastic price. Again, full details on how to book are in Hollydealsatsea, and remember, all cabins are subject to availability. Now, everything that I've discussed in this video, together with the deal for £309 and winter 26-27 launch with P&O Cruises, are all in the description box, together with the link of how to join Hollydealsatsea. And also don't forget to like and subscribe because I'll be sharing lots of cruise deals here on my channel, Hollydaysatsea.